Bye. Siya talaga yung my birthday. Babe, she's the one who have birthday today. Look at it. Dalawa kami nakaitim ng daddy niya. Siya. Ang ginagawa mo?
Stub your toe, girl.
Come, hold mommy's hand. Hi. It's probably like, is this your yard?
This is your yard.
Welcome back to our channel. So today is Travis's birthday. And naka-black ako ngayon. Dapat mag-ibang kulay ako. Pero I need to make video of this dress because this is a free sample yung sa TikTok shop. Kaya kailangan ko siyang gawa ng video. And alis din naman kami. Sabi ko kay Travis, dapat you wear red. Now we're all black, but it's your birthday. You know?
Whatever.
Parang iba yung atin.
I asked you.
I was like, I think the color gray looks good and the red looks fine too, but you know. So, wag niyo na lang pansinin, no? Pero birthday niya ngayon. But it's your birthday. It's okay.
It's like we're coming from a funeral.
I know. Bakit ganun? Charot.
Ellie's the only bright one.
Yes! Siya yung may birthday. Naka-red si Ellie ngayon. Ayun, no? Naka-color red siya. Siya yung naka-color red. Oh, siya talaga yung may birthday. Eh kasi, yung free sample na to, hindi ko pa nagawa ng video ng mga ilang araw. Kaya ginawan ko na ngayon. So, since aalis din naman kami, ito na yung susuotin ko, diba? Hindi na rin ako nagpalit kasi nagmamadali na rin kami. Dahil nga, later, may pasok din ako, guys. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Olive Garden. Doon na lang kami kakain kasi hindi namin nafe-feel kumain ng iba na like mga seafood ngayon. So, Travis wants to eat Olive Garden, yung soup, tapos salad. Yun yung favorite namin. Hindi kami madalas kumain sa mga seafood recently kasi parang hindi namin masyadong bet, no? Ganon. So, hindi rin kami masyado nang lumalabas ng mga nakaraang kasi nga, bumibili kami ng grocery, nagluluto sa bahay, ganyan. Tapos, pati yung pang baon namin sa work, doon na rin kami bumibili sa Trader Joe's, no? So, ayun, how old are you, babe?
36.
36? Still
I've
young.
been on this world for 36 years.
But you're still young, babe.
Yeah.
You're still young.
Young
So
and
ako
kicking.
ay 28 and turning, oh my gosh, I'm turning 29 this year. Oh my gosh,
Holy
for
crap.
real. Magto-29 na ako, guys.
And you're a mom.
Yeah, meron ako isang
Dang.
anak. Kailan kaya ang ating second baby, babe?
Yeah.
When is our second baby
Shoot,
coming?
I don't even know.
I don't know. We don't know, guys.
I mean,
We'll
honestly,
see.
Ellie hasn't been like super expensive. It's the girls and stuff are expensive later,
Yeah, when they're like teenager.
or maybe like 6 or 7.
Yeah, because they're gonna want some stuff like, toys.
She'll be on the riding lawnmower having to mow the
clothes.
grass.
There are some kids like when you have a daughter, they want a different outfit every day, ganun.
I mean,
but
yeah.
it's still up to the parents na kapag ka dinidiscipline, maybe it's how you discipline your child.
My mom used to take me high school clothes shopping like every year.
Yeah, I can buy Ellie clothes, different clothes, but as long as it's thrift store, yung mga mumurahin lang, hindi naman. Sabihin ko sa kanya, we're not rich, Ellie. I can buy you all different clothes, but we can go to thrift store. She's probably like, okay, mom.
She'll be like,
It's okay.
I won't
They're
shop
not
there.
gonna know, right? So ako
None.
kasi mga thrift store lang yung mga damit. Bihira ako magbili talaga ng mga branded na Hi. Yeah.
you're okay.
So, bihira ako bumili ng mga damit. Siguro nga parang ilan lang yung mga damit ko na may tatak or what. Pero mas gusto ko kasi bumili sa thrift store kasi nga dami ka mapagpipilian, 'di ba? Iba-iba ang design, tsaka
Excuse me.
mura, 'di ba? Tsaka ako kasi pagdating sa damit, practical kasi ako. Hindi ako yung bibili ng mga mamahaling damit, ganun. Tapos, alam mo yun, yung masisira din agad, ganun. Kung same lang din naman ang quality sa thrift store, why not, diba? Hey, what's the matter?
Nothing.
She just wanna talk. This is the stage na, na siya, yung parang sobrang daldal niya na gusto niya na nang laging may
talks,
kausap.
she sings.
Yes, she always wanna play, ganun. yung toddler stage talaga, ito yung stage na busy ka na talaga, sobrang busy. Iba yung busyness mo kapag ka infant or ano, pero iba na rin yung busyness mo kapag ka, ano, toddler na sila, malala. As in, habol dito, habol doon, hindi mo siya pwedeng iwanan talaga guys, kasi maano ka lang, malingat ka lang ng ilang segundo, ay naku, meron ng kababalaghang ginagawa. At saka kapag katahimik yan sila, doon ka na talaga mangamba or matakot kasi pag tahimik yan sila may parang, alam mo na, may mga ginagawa sila talaga na ano, kakaanuhan mo talaga, kabibigla mo talaga, ano. So yun guys, pupunta kami ng Olive Garden, and by the way, sa mga nag-a-ask how many months or whatever, or how many days na made-deploy si Travis, it's only a week guys.
Yeah,
so it's
not
not gonna be, he's not gonna be
Not
gone
gonna be
for
gone super
for too long. That's why I can take that off like 1 week lang, and maybe some of you are wondering who's gonna take care of Ellie. Of course, I'm still gonna take care of Ellie. I just took the day off. Wow, that's quick.
Yeah, I know.
I just took 1 week off guys para kay Ellie, para alagaan si Ellie, para kay Ellie, para ako yung magbantay kay Ellie. And kasi we don't do childcare here, and we don't, know a lot of people din na pwedeng magbantay kay Ellie. And it's hard to trust people, right babe? It's hard to trust people to take care of your kid.
Yeah, you just
It's
never...
better to get one, like, you know them personally.
It's just hard. Like, you
Yeah.
just never know. So
I know.
we try not... I mean, eventually we may have to, but
Yeah.
for now, we're gonna try everything we can not to give her
Yeah.
into daycare or whatever.
Right. So
You
yun
know?
guys, it's gonna be a week that we will miss Dada Travis talaga. Kasi si Ellie, palagi niya nang binabanggit Dada talaga. Alam niya pag pumunta sa work si Dada niya, lagi niyang babanggitin Dada,
Bunny.
Dada, tapos hanapin niya si
Bunny.
Dada niya. Tapos magaganon pa yun, where's Dada? Ganon. Marunong na siya talaga
Yeah,
maganon.
her little, like, I don't know.
Oo, yeah. Where's
I don't
Dada? Marunong na siya maganon-ganon guys.
Oh.
Ikaw ha? Hindi siya umiiyak, nairit-irit lang talaga siya. Madaldal na talaga si Ellie guys. So, ayun, 36 na si Travis. And how many years have we been together, babe? Like, I think I met you when you were 27. Because I was 21, right? Yeah, I met you when...
I must have been...
Yeah, 27 and I was 21 years old. So, 37, 8, 9, 30, 31. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Wow, 9 years!
Has it been that long?
Yeah.
Since 2019.
Yeah, so I met you when you were 27 years old. So it's 9 years. I know he hit the curve. Yeah, because it's... So ayun guys, and samahan nyo kaming kumain sa Olive Garden. And I'm not sure kung makapag-vlog ako. Bihira kasi ako mag-vlog guys sa loob na restaurant. And hindi rin kasi ito komportabling. Alam mo yun, mag-vlog ng tawag niyan, pag kumakain. Tapos hindi siya komportable pag may camera tsaka nag-vlog habang kumakain. Pero papakita ko lang sa inyo yung madalas namin in-order. Alam ko nakikita nyo na rin naman kasi sa mga reviews vlog ko. Pero I will record some quick videos mamaya. So we'll see you guys later.
A few moments later.
Bye. Siya talaga yung my birthday. Babe, she's the one who have birthday today. Look at it. Dalawa kami nakaitim ng daddy niya. Siya. Ang ginagawa mo?
Jeez, don't stub your toe, girl.
Come, hold mommy's hand. Ellie, hold mommy's hand. Madumi kasi yung shoes niya guys eh. Kaya nilagyan ko sandals na lang. Saka hindi naman ngayon malamig. Pero it's really nice today. Dito kami madalas kumakain sa Olive Garden. Malapit lang din sa amin. You're so cute, Ellie! Ellie! Eliana! Anong ginagawa mo?
It's like she's playing with her sandals.
Okay, come on.
Wonder if they're uncomfortable.
Alright, nandito na kami, guys. Olive Garden. Hey! Come on in! We have 3?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Hi! 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 Hi agad siya.
Yeah, let her know. You guys can follow me this way.
Okay. Thank you. Hi.
It's pretty fast.
Siga kang black haka. Ellie. Thank you. Yeah. I guess you with daddy? Silang ganito. Thank you. Ito yung laging ginagamit na Ellie. Here's your coloring book. And I think they put color here. Yan, may color nga. Ellie, color mo.
Here. Look at this one.
Dumating na yung food namin. Meron kaming zupa. Ito yung palagi namin na-order na soup. Tapos meron kaming Alfredo. Tapos meron kaming salad.
Here.
Okay. Samnida. Ayan, dito ang isa, oh. What do you want? Hot. It's hot, oh. Hot. Oh, it's hot. Hey guys, kakain na kami. Let's eat. Kami kumain guys. Pinakain lang namin ng patatas si Ellie doon. Gusto niya yung patatas eh. Doon kami nag-park sa may kay puno man to dito kanina. Ayun, tingnan mo babe, look. The parking lot is now, empty.
The lunch rush is gone.
Yeah. Ooh. Ellie. Hold mommy's hand, hold. Hold mommy's hand. There you go. Bilis na
Why
maglakad
is she
eh, no?
getting lazier as you hold her hand?
Okay. Okay, you walk by your... Oh, bye-bye. Mommy's here. It's okay. Mommy's here. Mommy's here. Mama. Wow. Wow. Bye-bye. Kanina ba siya babay ng babay sa lahat ng tao kanina? Bye-bye. Tapos habang kumakain siya, panay siya kayo sa mga waitress. Careful, daddy. Just hold on. Yeah.
Ugh.
Tapos, ito yung tapat nila, yung crunch fish. Crunch fish. Nabubulol na ako. Busog na kasi. Crunch Fitness. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung Olive Garden. Tapos, ayan, may mga... Ellie! Eliana!
Ellie.
Alright. Uwi na kami, guys. May bagong bed cover nga pala si Travis, oh. Sponsor ng Cinet... Ano to, babe?
Syntec.
Cinetic. Syntec.
Synetic.
Yeah, I think it's Cinetic. Cinetic. Not Syntec, right? Cinetic USA. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Flying kiss. Ellie, flying kiss. Busog na rin siya eh. Pinakain namin ng patatas. Gustong-gusto niya yung patatas eh. Kailangan namin siyang bilhan ng bagong car seat, guys. Kasi bumibigat na siya.
He's
Hi
gonna be like,
guys! Welcome back.
"This is
Our
what
mower
you're
is our mower is here. He's so happy. Are you happy, babe?
Big old trailer, man.
He's probably like, is this your yard?
This is your yard. Oh, dude,
Is this your yard and you have a big mower?
Yeah.
So he bought that mower.
What's up?
That's a Toro mower. Yan yung pa-birthday gift.
I
bought Travis.
to mow this right here.
Dinagdagan ko lang din siya ng kaunti. Kasi gusto niya talaga bilhin. So ayan. Sabi niya, wala naman daw siya iba pang kailangan. Pero gusto niya na mauwi.
this property, but we're living here temporarily. We're like, we should probably buy one before these keep going up in price, man. So, because we're about to buy like 3 to 5
Pagchikahan agad.
North Carolina in about a year or two. So we're like, maybe we should just get it now and not pay $6,000 for this later.
Especially, I mean, you get a lot of acreage like that. I mean,
Yeah, I'll probably only mow like 2 or 3 of it, but yeah, we'd like to have quite a lot.
Si Travis talaga, kahit saan pumunta, ang dami nakikilala dahil sobrang daldal. Kala nyo hindi madaldal yan. Madaldal yan. Dami agad yung mamimit or makakasundo. Oh. Oh, look at that, babe. Excited si Papa mo. Excited si Papa mo. Babe, Ellie tuloy. Ay, excited.
I told them we're just mowing this front yard.
Yeah. You're excited, huh? That's nice. Nice.
so just sign the bottom one, and you can keep the other one for your records.
All right.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Thank you.
Absolutely. And the manual is right here.
Okay. Yeah, and then do you guys do all the PDI stuff? Or-
Yep, they PDI'd it already. They got it all situated. I mean, if you have any
This is
issues,
not
just
What day? It's the
today's the
It's
first.
first, yeah. It's
my
already
watch
May.
says the wrong one.
Yeah, I mean, if you have any issues, just
Yeah, I know.
Mike's a good guy. Mike's your salesman.
Yeah, Mike, dude. Yeah.
That's
So
my guy.
like
That's my guy. So I
that's for
keep
you.
this one. You keep that one. Yeah.
I originally went and bought through Lowe's, then they were dicking me around, and for my shipping, my delivery,
Kwento na
literally
naman
bought
siya.
it last week, and then they were like, "Oh, we're gonna wait till the 6th to deliver it. I was supposed to be tomorrow,"
Okay.
and I'm like, "I can't. We got pre-deployment stuff I have to do. I just can't make that date. That's why I bought it for the other date." And
Kasi
I
alis
called
siya.
him,
Tapos
cancel
yung
it, called Mike
binilhan
back
niya,
up, I'm like, "Can you
guys,
give me, like, this weekend or
sabi,
something?"
madidelay daw,
So
kaya
she set
ikinansel
up to
niya.
use it, play with it.
Tapos kasi bumili siya sa iba, sa ano mismo. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Okay. Mow the lawn.
Mow the lawn, let's go.
Nice. Look at that.
Yeah, nice. I'm gonna go. They did all the PDI and deck leveling. Looks good. The I don't know how much gas it has. I will need to run.
We
up
have a fuel, right?
and grab some gas. No, we don't have any.
Hi, guys. Gising na si Ellie. Hi! So, papasok ako today, guys. Ang daddy niya naman magbabantay kay Ellie.
Bye-bye.
Ay, baboy agad. Nagbabay agad ikaw?
Bye.
So, by the way, guys, di ba dumating yung mower kanina? Tapos may nakita kaming parang chip na na tuklap yung pintura. So, pinabalik namin. Tapos, papalitan daw ng bago. Buti na lang talaga, chinek namin.
Bye-bye.
Tapos, i-deliver nila ulit yung mag-deliver ulit sila ng bago dito. So, darating siya ngayon, ngayong araw din. Gusto kasi ni Travis, bago siya umalis, bago siya ma-deploy, nandito na para hindi niya naisipin. Tsaka para makita niya daw, para siya daw yung ano ba yan, B? Huwag mo naman mabarin si ma'am. So, para daw siya yung maka-inspection, di ba? Kasi yung una niyang in-order, kinancel nila tapos delay. So, kinancel niya na lang yung order niya tapos bumili na lang siya sa ibang So, yun, i-deliver nila ngayon, in-order niya ngayon, dineliver din ngayon. So, yun, na-deliver din agad, tapos, yun nga lang, nagka-problema, nagkaroon ng parang damage kaunti sa pintura, papalitan naman nila. And nag-wait pa si Travis, mamaya daw i-deliver. Ngayon din namang hapon. So, yun lang guys ang vlog natin for today. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ay, galing.
Bye-bye.